kids' happiness. So today we are going to open Shopkins Pick and Pack Small Mart. I am very excited and happy to open my first ever Shopkins playset. So this is how it looks, and it is from Win Magic Toys. Thank you Win Magic Toys for sending me this toy. So before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell shape icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Give me a like, share. So let's jump into the video. So this is how the pack looks like. Shopkins from Win Magic Toys. Mini packs. Once you shop, you can't stop. Pick and Pack Small Mart. Shop and display mini packs. Includes 2 exclusive Shopkins inside 2 mini packs. 2 in 1 cart and basket. Bag and spin. So this is how the Shopkins backside looks like. Collector's Edition Shopkins. Let's read the contents. 2 Shopkins, 2 mini packs, 1 small Mart playset, 1 cart, 1 display shelf, 2 Shopkins bag, 1 loyalty card. 2 exclusive Shopkins inside 2 mini packs. Perfect for Shopkins and Shoppies. Pop-up register, bag and spin. Loyalty card inside. Swipe to pop-up register. Chill with some cool Shopkins. Cart becomes a carry basket. Wow, there's lots of things to find out. Open. I got Shopkins Cake Pop Time and Shopkins Perfect Peaches. Let's open this Cake Pop Time. It's so cute bag, small bag. It really looks like a cake. Oh, so cute! So I got this cute little Shopkin. It's so cute. Let me put in the cat. Put in the display shelf. Let's open the second one. Oh, it looks like a real peach. Oh, it's so big. So big. Looks like that. Oh, a big mango. So fat. So here are the 2 mini packs and 2 Shoppies. So here are my other Shopkins collectibles, which I already had before, which I got from Crossword, Lulu Mall, Kochi. So this is the Kiki the coconut, and this is Shonda shades, and this is the Sprinkle Lee cake, and this is Yochi the ice cream. And now I have 6 Shoppies. 6 Shoppies. I already have 2 Shopkins lunch bags that I got from these Shopkins. So I'm going to display that also. So let's heat up the sandwich. Close it. It's being hot and hot. It's ready. Let's gash it. So here is the loyalty card. Let's go for shopping. Whoa. Look at that fresh mango. Cake. So many things. Oh, lunch bag. Oh, I'm getting this mango. For this thing. This. Oh no, there is no space. Let me take. Which should I select? pink or blue? Oh, I will take blue because it matches my dress. Put on. Let me go to bed. Oh, there is someone already there. Let's wait. Oh, who's over? Let me go. Oh, I saw a refrigerator over there. Let me look. I have one cake. So I will take the sandwich. Let's put in the cart. Okay, let's put one by one. Anything else, ma'am? Oh, I forgot my lunch bag. The amount is 500 rupees. Oh, okay. Oh, let me take my loyalty card. Thank you, ma'am. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, ma'am, don't forget your bag. There you go. Thank you for shopping. That was awesome shopping from Shopkins Small Mart. I had fun playing with my Shopkins Small Mart. I hope you also enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.